and subscriber, welcome back to Caribbean Vibes Adventure. So today I am off in Cabo San Lucas, so I'm gonna explore a little bit. I want to see the sea lions for the first time. I want to go on the tour for 40 minutes and explore a little bit and try to see if I can go to a restaurant and get some lunch. So stay tuned for the video. Hear them guys, but I want to see them. I want to see the sea lions.
Okay, we leaving.
Yeah.
Should you pay me here?
Yeah, no worries, no worries.
6 and 3, I got 9 people. We use that be 10. 10 people.
10. So how many minutes the tour is?
The tour is about 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Hey, my buddy, are you ready to see the sea lions?
Yeah, I'm excited to see the sea lion. You hear them guys, they are barking.
Where are you now?
I'm a Jamaican.
You are in Jamaica.
So you said $25, right?
Yes, sir.
$25.
Hey, cuando vayas ahí te le paras a estos lobos marinos porque si quieres ver el sea lion. Forma. Okay, go ahead.
Where do I walk?
Follow the guy.
Where do I walk? Guys, are you excited to see the sea lions?
We're excited to just,
I'm excited to see them.
All right.
Good.
You put it in your backpack?
Oh, yeah.
Like, just put them on the face.
Yes, we're excited to see the sea lions. I'm always hearing them barking, but I've never seen them like Yes, we are ready.
Alright, let's put the...
So we had to put on our life jacket. Safety first. Thank you. Look at that. Finally, I get it. Finally. Yeah, we did it, guys. Thanks for the tour. Yeah. Guys, say big up to the captain.
Hola amigos, welcome to Cabo.
That's a big sea lion. Oh, the neighbor. That's a baby. Look at the baby. Look at the little baby. Look at them. There's so many. What are they saying? They're hungry or they're barking? Which one? Well, since you have never visited Jamaica, I'm gonna give you a token from Jamaica. I buy them online and I give to all of the guests more
Hey, you're such a cool guy.
Yeah.
It's good to meet people
So
all over.
you have a token from a beautiful country,
Yeah,
and also you have it is a part of memory.
Yes, that's right. From the people. The people were like,
yeah, respect one.
Respect.
It's a beautiful day, man. So that's a token from Jamaica, the flag.
Thank you.
We're getting a tour and we're going back at the arch. So the tour is 40 minutes. So these are some of the things that that people do in Cabo. You have so many things to do. You can go glass bottom boat, you can go snorkeling, so swimming with the dolphin. So huge. Let's get one for Suvishi. What did he say?
Two people coming, three people
They always have stories to tell, just like in Mazatlan. They said the Devil's Cave, 2 person going and they didn't come out. They come out in a form of bat.
Other side Pacific Ocean. This is Lovers Beach, other side Divorce Beach.
I want to go to that side. I want to go to the Divorce Beach.
You go around, you can see it from the boat.
Welcome to the Pacific window. It's beautiful. Look at the window. Look at the window, guys. It's peeping out. So many persons. This rock makes millions per day.
Okay, we're gonna get a better view.
Okay. Yeah,
Oh, that's hot.
So are we in the Pacific Ocean now, right?
Right there.
We're touring today. No work.
I can never find out how to use Mexican Hollywood. That's your beach right there.
Yeah. Let's go Divorce Beach. No one getting divorced. Extremely adventure today. Doing the arch on the Pacific side. We're so excited. We're going to the Sea Lions.
Sea Lions.
And they made us jump out of the boat
We're
to
going
get
to the
onto the
Sea
second
Lions.
boat. And he was like a mile or 2 out, and we had to go back and get him. And then that's so,
They're so low. Like, aren't.
it was a nightmare.
You guys might have to get wet.
Finally. You see them now, guys? Finally. Finally, I get a closer shot. Look at them. Look at them.
Quick, before they go down.
Yeah! Good job. Yeah! Caribbean Vibes family, good job. We did it. Finally get some videos of the sea lions. You hear them you guys are not only hearing them, but you are seeing them. So for all of my people who have never seen a sea lion before, look at them. Look at them. Look at that.
$5 tip if I take it close.
Look at that, guys. Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome, my brother.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias. Thank you for coming back. Pensaba que no iba a venir atrás.
No, se quedamos hasta las 2 y fue a ganar.
Beautiful day again spent out. I'm so happy I finally get to see the sea lions for the first time up close. I love this video, guys. I'm gonna try to see if I can get some food to eat. I'm extremely hungry, so I'm gonna try to see if I can find some food now. Wagwan! Yo! You see that? People everywhere, everywhere. My turn, people know me. Hey bro, what's up? I have something for you. Because I just give a guess the one that I wear come out. I have something for you.
That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about, man. I was looking for the rice and peas, man.
I know, man, I know. But I have something for you. I have memories to share with you. I'm gonna give you one of the Jamaican badge.
Man, that's what I'm talking about, man.
Yeah, I
That's
just give
right
the
there.
guest one that I wear come out. They have never been to Jamaica, but they love Jamaica, so I just take
I
it
love
off.
Jamaica, man.
I just went on a tour at the arch and see the sea lions for the first time.
This your first time coming out here?
No.
Them Jackson boys go to Jamaica next year.
That one.
Yeah.
Don't eat up all the food in Jamaica now. Leave some for me, cause I'm going home next year.
Man, I want the chronic. You know what I'm talking about?
The good
blood
stuff.
clot. The good stuff. Man.
Good stuff
I
down
look
there.
for you.
Yes.
Trevon.
Yes.
Yeah, Trevon. I look for you.
I'm gonna try to find the best authentic taco in Cabo. Hold on. So I'm gonna try the fish taco. So I'm gonna take your word for it, okay? Do you have any Jamaican flower water? Jamaican flower water. So I need a taco and I also need a Corona beer. Okay? Yes.
Hey, you Jamaica, me Jamaican.
No fake, man, no fake. You know you're what? You're Jamaican.
Jamaican.
Jamaican, yes.
Okay,
No
Jamaican.
fake, no fake.
Yeah.
Best beer coming. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Just the way I like it. Just the way I like it. See? Refreshing.
Time ago, you should have had that camera on.
Yes, looking good. Thank you, boss. Let's eat. Fish taco. So nice. Spicy. That's the way I like it. fish tacos because this is the fish. So mainly they make a butter for it and fried it. Man. Best fish taco. Today I'm eating at Tequila shop. So mainly I want to try every restaurant I can and explore, enjoy the culture of Mexico.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your meal, sir.
Thank you, amigo.
I enjoy the meal. The fish taco is good. Thank you. It's a beautiful day. My bill come to $21, so I give him $25 the waiter. And you know, tell him that the change is his. Finishing up my meal. At the end of the video now, I just want to say thanks to everyone for subscribing, for my new subscribers and my long-time subscribers. Thank you for everything, guys. I love you.